Today we will learn about Martha and Mary. This story can be found in God's holy word in the book of Luke, chapter 10, verses 38 through 42. Jesus loved spending time at Martha's home in a place called Bethany. It was a cozy place where he could relax and rest, away from all the people who followed him everywhere. Now Martha, she loved to cook. As soon as Jesus arrived, she got all excited and started preparing a big, delicious meal for him and his friends. There was so much to do, and she thought, I'll need Mary's help for sure. So Martha got to work with a happy heart. She hurried around the kitchen, making sure everything was just right. She carried plates of yummy food back and forth to the table. She checked the stove and the oven to make sure nothing was burning. But, you know what? She couldn't find Mary anywhere. Martha thought, this isn't fair. Why do I have to do all the work by myself? Well, guess where Mary was? She was sitting right there in the room with Jesus, listening carefully to every word he said. You see, Jesus was talking about God's love and his wonderful plan for all the people in the world. Mary didn't want to miss a single thing because Jesus was such an amazing teacher. Now back to Martha. She was starting to get really annoyed. She went up to Jesus and said, Jesus, can you please tell Mary to stop being so lazy and come help me? I can't handle all this work alone. Martha was a bit upset. But you know what Jesus did? He looked at Martha with so much love and spoke gently to her. He said, Martha, Martha, when you serve me, it's like a special gift you're giving to me. But here's the thing, my friend. Do it because you truly want to, with a loving heart and a big, happy smile. What's even more important right now is that Mary gets to spend time with me. So let her stay. Martha listened carefully to Jesus' wise words. She went back to her work, but this time she had a new attitude. She realized that what she was doing was a gift of love for her friend Jesus. And she also understood just how much she and Mary loved him. So, my amazing friends, this story reminds us that spending time with Jesus and listening to his words is super special. And when we serve others, we should do it with love in our hearts, just like Martha learned to do. Today we learned about Martha and Mary. This story can be found in the book of Luke, chapter 10, verses 38 through 42. Now let's review what we have learned. Jesus loved staying at Martha's home in Bethany, where she lived with her sister Mary and brother Lazarus. It was a place where Jesus could really relax and rest, away from the crowds of people who followed him. Martha loved cooking. As soon as Jesus arrived, she began to prepare a delicious meal for him and his friends. There was a lot to do and she would need Mary's help, so Martha cheerfully set to work. She hurried back and forth to the table with plates of food, while still making sure that nothing was burning on the stove or in the oven. But where was Mary? It wasn't fair that she had to do all the work by herself. Mary was sitting listening to Jesus talk about God's love and his wonderful plan for people everywhere. He was an inspiring teacher and Mary didn't want to miss a single word. But Martha was getting very annoyed. Jesus, Martha said, tell Mary not to be so selfish and lazy and make her come and help me. I can't manage so much work by myself. Jesus loved Martha and he spoke to her gently. Martha, Martha, when you serve me, it is your gift to me. Do it because you really want to, with a loving heart and a smile on your face. It is more important that Mary spends time with me. Let her stay. Martha listened to the wise words Jesus said, and went back to her work with a new attitude about what she was doing, who it was for and how much she and Mary loved their friend Jesus. Thank you for listening to today's story. Remember that God created you for a purpose. Keep listening, keep growing, and keep trusting God so that you can do all He called you to do.